Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: crafting with wood. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there's something magical about transforming raw timber into beautiful, functional pieces. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of woodworking. From sparking your creativity and boosting your mental well-being to creating lasting, eco-friendly items, the advantages are endless. So grab your tools and let's embark on this journey together. You'll discover why so many people find joy, satisfaction, and even a sense of community in the art of crafting with wood. Let's get started. Crafting with wood is a timeless activity that combines artistry, creativity, and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner experimenting with your first project, working with wood offers a wide range of benefits that extend beyond the physical products you create. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the numerous advantages of crafting with wood, from personal satisfaction to environmental impacts, and everything in between. Creative expression. Woodworking provides an excellent outlet for creativity. The process of crafting allows individuals to express their artistic vision through various forms and designs. Whether it's a simple shelf, a complex piece of furniture, or intricate carvings, each project offers an opportunity to showcase personal style and creativity. Customization and personalization. One of the most significant advantages of woodworking is the ability to customize projects. Unlike mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden pieces can be tailored to meet specific needs, preferences, and styles. This customization can include the choice of wood, design elements, colors, and finishes, allowing crafters to create truly unique pieces. Woodworking often involves overcoming challenges and finding solutions to design dilemmas or construction issues. This problem-solving aspect fosters critical thinking and enhances creativity, making woodworking not just a craft but also an intellectual exercise. There's a profound sense of satisfaction that comes from completing a woodworking project. From the initial idea to the final product, each step in the process brings a sense of progress. This accomplishment can boost self-esteem and provide motivation for future projects. As you work with wood, you naturally improve your skills. Each project teaches you something new, whether it's mastering a new technique, learning how to use a tool effectively, or understanding the properties of different types of wood. This continuous learning process fosters a growth mindset, encouraging you to take on more complex projects over time. Wooden items can last for generations if crafted and cared for properly. Knowing that your work can be enjoyed by future generations adds to the sense of accomplishment. This longevity contrasts sharply with many modern products, which are often disposable and lack sentimental value. Engaging in woodworking requires concentration and attention to detail. This focus can serve as a form of mindfulness, allowing you to immerse yourself in the present moment. The rhythmic motions of cutting, sanding, and assembling can be meditative, reducing stress and promoting mental well-being. Woodworking involves various physical activities, including lifting, cutting, and sanding. This hands-on work provides a good workout and helps improve physical health. The combination of physical activity and creativity can lead to overall well-being. Crafting can be a therapeutic outlet for emotions. Many people find solace in creating, using woodworking as a way to process feelings or cope with life's challenges. The act of transforming raw materials into something beautiful can be especially rewarding during difficult times. Woodworking can be a fantastic family activity. Engaging in projects together fosters teamwork and strengthens family bonds. It provides opportunities for teaching and learning, allowing family members to share skills and experiences. Joining woodworking clubs or participating in local workshops can introduce you to like-minded individuals who share your passion. These connections can lead to friendships, collaborations, and a sense of belonging within a community of crafters. As you develop your skills, there may be opportunities to teach others, whether through formal classes or informal gatherings. Sharing your knowledge can be fulfilling and help inspire the next generation of woodworkers. Wood is a renewable resource, especially when sourced from sustainably managed forests. Choosing to work with wood supports responsible forestry practices, which help maintain ecological balance and promote biodiversity. By crafting your own items, you can reduce the demand for mass-produced products that often come with significant environmental costs. Handmade wooden crafts can also be made from reclaimed or repurposed wood, further minimizing waste and promoting sustainability. Working with wood fosters a deeper appreciation for nature and the materials we use. Understanding the properties of different woods and the importance of sustainable practices can lead to more conscious consumption and environmental stewardship. Woodworking allows you to create practical, functional items that can improve your daily life. From furniture to kitchenware, each crafted piece serves a purpose, often enhancing your living space's functionality and aesthetic. By making your own items, you can save money in the long run. While there may be upfront costs for tools and materials, creating your own furniture or quality craftsmanship. Handmade wooden items often exhibit superior craftsmanship compared to mass-produced alternatives. When you take the time to create, you can ensure the quality and durability of your work, resulting in long-lasting products. Woodworking encompasses a wide range of skills, from basic cutting and sanding to advanced joinery and finishing techniques. Each project presents an opportunity to learn something new, expanding your skill set and knowledge. Working with different types of wood helps you understand their properties, strengths, and weaknesses. This knowledge is invaluable for making informed choices in future projects and can enhance your overall woodworking experience. Using various tools is integral to woodworking. As you become proficient in handling tools, you build confidence and expertise, enabling you to tackle more complex projects. Woodworking is a craft with deep historical roots, present in many cultures around the world. Engaging in this craft connects you to a rich tradition, honoring the skills that have been passed down through generations. Each handmade wooden item tells a story, whether it's about the wood's origin, the techniques used, or the personal journey of the maker. Sharing these stories adds depth and meaning to your creations. In a world dominated by mass production, woodworking allows individuals to revive traditional skills and techniques that may be at risk of being lost. By practicing and sharing these crafts, you contribute to the preservation of cultural heritage. For some, woodworking can evolve from a hobby into a business. Selling handmade wooden items at craft fairs, online platforms, or local stores can turn your passion into a source of income. As you develop a unique style and niche within woodworking, you can build a brand that reflects your artistic vision. This branding can attract customers who appreciate the quality and craftsmanship of handmade items. Running a woodworking business requires learning about marketing and customer engagement. This knowledge can enhance your overall skill set and provide valuable experience in entrepreneurship. So, there you have it. From fostering creativity and providing therapeutic benefits to promoting sustainability and building community, the benefits of crafting with wood are truly remarkable. I encourage you to explore woodworking for yourself. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there's always something new to learn and create. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow DIY enthusiasts. I'd love to hear about your own woodworking experiences, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafting tips, project ideas, and inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Keep crafting, stay inspired, and remember, every piece of wood has the potential to become something beautiful.